GCSE Maths Higher students, this is the nth term of a quadratic sequence. We start by finding the first difference. That's the first difference between the terms. So how do we get from 7 to 13? We're adding on 6. 13 to 23, we're adding on 10. And 23 to 37, we're adding on 14. Now this is how we know it's not an arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic sequence is a linear sequence, and if it was a linear sequence, we'd then just find the nth term using a linear sequence method. However, let's look for the second difference. Well, 6 to 10 is a difference of 4, and 10 to 14 is a difference of 4 as well. And now we know it is a quadratic sequence. If the second difference, that's the first difference, that's the second difference. If the second difference is the same, then it's a quadratic sequence. And we can now go on to find the nth term of the quadratic sequence. So we start by taking the second difference and dividing it by 2. This gives us the coefficient of n squared. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we know our sequence starts 2n squared. That's got by doing the second difference and halving it. So our sequence starts 2n squared. Our final answer starts 2n squared, but we don't know the second part of it. Now, if we subtract 2n squared from our sequence, we'll find out what we've got remaining, and then we can find the nth term of what's remaining, because it will leave you with a linear sequence. So our sequence is 7, 13, 23, 37. The 2n squared sequence, we're squaring n first. N is 1 for the first part. 1 squared is 1 times 2 is 2. For the second term, n is 2. 2 times 2, 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 4 squared is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. And we're going to subtract the 2n squared sequence from our sequence. 7 take away 2 is 5. 13 take away 8 is 13 take away 8 is 5, 23 take away 18 is 5, and 37 take away 32 is 5. So in this instance then, that is just plus 5. We have to add 5 to our 2n squared sequence in order to get the nth term. So your final answer would be 2n squared plus 5. In another video I'll upload to show where if it's a slightly different sequence that we have to find the nth term of.